Walmart comes out with their chicken dipping sauce, which is supposed to taste just like Chick-fil-A sauce. Does it? How close is it? Let's find out. So is Walmart chicken dipping sauce just as good as Chick-fil-A? We're going to find out because, well, Chick-fil-A sauce is awesome. Duh. And we're going to see how it stacks up. So the story is that Chick-fil-A didn't have their own dipping sauce. So in the early 80s, a franchise owner named Hugh Fleming came up with his own honey mustard recipe. And he used to put it in pump bottles, and it was so popular, people would come and take coffee cups and fill their coffee cups up with the Chick-fil-A sauce that he invented. And then one evening, an employee accidentally added barbecue sauce to the mix. That sounds kind of suspicious to me, but that's the story. And ultimately, we end up with a honey mustard barbecue ranch sauce that became Chick-fil-A sauce. It's incredibly popular now. When Hugh Fleming retired in 2007, he gave the recipe to the company, and ultimately they started putting it in these packets because everybody was just, filling coffee cups up. So, fast forward to the present, and we have Walmart here coming out with their own chicken dipping sauce. So let me put some of that in there. Let's see. Here we go. Now, the Walmart sauce looks, get my hand out of the way, looks a lot more mustardy and yellow. This is a little thicker, fluffier, and a little more pale. But ultimately, let's see what they taste like. So I've got some Chick-fil-A nuggets to do a little taste test with. And I also have a Chick-fil-A sandwich. Classic sandwich. Where's my pickles? Oh, they're on the bottom. Here they are. Gotta have the pickles. All right. So, got a Chick-fil-A sandwich. I got some nuggets. All right, let's see what's going on here. These things are hot. So I'm going to take a nugget. Let me zoom in here. And the original Chick-fil-A sauce. Yep, that's Chick-fil-A sauce. Oop, right out of the packet. And if you don't have a Chick-fil-A near you, I feel sorry for you. But then again, we don't have an In-N-Out burger near us. So if you do, you can feel sorry for me. I don't know how they compare Chick-fil-A and In-N-Out burger. I just bring it up because popular franchises that are kind of in different parts of the country. Anyway, let me go for the Walmart chicken dipping sauce. Let's see what's going on here. Oh wow, that's pretty good. A little smokier, not as sweet. Pretty close, but not the same. Oh no, not the same. Oh my gosh, it's so close. With Chick-fil-A is sweeter, a little lighter. The Walmart chicken dipping sauce, a little smokier, a little heavier, in both consistency and taste. But my gosh, that is good. That is pretty good. It is not Chick-fil-A sauce, but it's pretty darn good. That is amazing. I think, oh my goodness. And back to the fact that maybe you don't have a Chick-fil-A near you, this would be a great substitute for the Chick-fil-A sauce. It really is good. There you go. Wow, it's a toss-up. One's just as good as the other. If you don't have a Chick-fil-A near you, go to Walmart and get the chicken dipping sauce, which is kind of hard to find because I got the one and only bottle that my store had. If you have a Chick-fil-A near you, you're golden. I've got a sandwich to dig into here, so I'm going to do that. So thanks for watching, everybody. And I proclaim that chicken dipping sauce from Walmart's Great Value brand a winner. And if these were wines on a scale of 1 to 100, Chick-fil-A is 90, Walmart is 89. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please subscribe. Hit the bell so you get notifications when we put videos up. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye, everybody.